Good morning, class. So, before I start our discussion, let me introduce myself first. I'm Teacher May Grace G. Ampolitod, but you can call me Teacher MG for short. Today, I'll going to discuss the ungrouped data and the grouped data. So, in the ungrouped data, I will going to teach you how to get the mean, median, and mode. And in the grouped data, I only teach you how to get the mean. Okay, so what is ungrouped data? Ungrouped data are data that are not organized or if arranged could only be from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. Example, a set of numbers from 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from lowest to highest, or 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 from highest to lowest. So this is an example of ungrouped data. So how to get the mean in the ungrouped data? First, let's define what is mean. So mean is the average value of the given set of data. Tandaan lang natin na ang mean is the average value. Okay, so this is the formula of the mean. This is the symbol where x bar is the mean of the set of x values and summation of x is the sum of all the x values and n is the number of x values. So ito yung formula ng mean. So example, find the mean of the set numbers 9, 3, 1, 8, 3, and 6. Okay? So, this is the formula of the mean. Para makuha natin ang mean, kailangan lang natin i-add lahat ng numbers, then divide natin kung ilang numbers meron tayo. So, add natin 9 plus 3 plus 1 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6 equals 30. So, ilang numbers meron tayo? So, we have 6 numbers. So, divide natin sa 6. 30 divided 6 equals 5. So, our mean is 5. Okay, tandaan natin na to get the mean, we have to add all the numbers, then divide natin kung ilang numbers meron tayo. So how to get the median? First, let's define what is median. Median is the middle or the middle value. Okay, example. Find the median of the set data 9, 3, 1, 8, 3, and 6. So, to get the median, we need to arrange the given set of numbers from lowest to highest. So, we have 1, 3, 3, 6, 8, 9. Then, hanapin natin yung middle value or the middle number. So, Cher, paano yan, Cher? Dalawa yung middle number, the 3 and 6. So, dahil dalawa, add lang natin yung 3 at 6. So, 3 plus 6 equals 9. Then, divide natin sa 2. So, 9 divide 2 equals 4.5. So, our median is 4.5. Okay? So, yan lang magkuha ng median. If dalawa, kailangan lang natin siya i-add, then divide natin sa 2. So, the result is our median. Okay, let's move on to our mode. So, what is mode? So, how to get the mode? So, let's define what is mode. Okay? Mode is the number that appears the most. Okay? So, example, find the mode of the set data or set of numbers 9, 3, 1, 8, 3, and 6. Okay? So, to find the mode, we need to find the numbers that appears the most. So, we have 3. Since 3 appears twice. So, our mode is 3. Okay, so we have types of mode. No mode, pag wala talagang mode. Unimodal, pag mayroong isang mode. Bimodal, pag dalawa ang modes. Trimodal, pag tatlo ang modes. Or multimodal, pag we have a multiple of modes. Okay, so that is how we get the mean, median, and mode in the ungrouped data. So let's proceed to the group data. Okay, so let's move on to the group data. So what is group data? Group data is a data that has been ordered and sorted into groups called classes, often displayed in a frequency table. So ma'am, ano ang kaibahan ni group data at ungrouped data? So, sa ungrouped data is a data that are not organized or wala siya naka-organize. Then dito naman sa group data is naka-ordered and naka-organize siya into tables called classes or naka-display siya sa how to get the mean in the group data. Okay, so To calculate the mean of the group data, the first step is to determine the midpoint of its interval or class. This midpoint must be multiplied by the frequencies of the corresponding classes. The sum of all the products divided by the total number of values will be the value of the mean. So what is mean in group data? Mean of group data is a data set formed by aggregating individual observation of variable into different. This is the table. So calculate the mean of the test scores. So the scores and the frequency table is given. So we have 6 classes and the class width is 5. The total frequency is 40. So to find the mean using the class mark, first compute the class mark of each class. It is simply the midpoint of a class. So, to compute the class mark, we need to add the scores and then divide by 2. So, 41 plus 45 divided by 2 is 43. 36 plus 45 divided by 2 is 38. 33 plus 35 divided by 2 is 33. 26 plus 30 divided by 2 is 28. 21 plus 25 divided by 2 is 23. Then 16 plus 20 divided by 2 is 18. Remember that our scores width is 5. So 43 minus 5 is 38. 38 minus 5 is 33. 33 minus 5 is 28. 28 minus 5 is 23. 23 minus 5 is 18. Okay, so to get the mean, we need to multiply the frequency and the class mark. So 1 times 43 equals 43. 8 times 38 equals 304. 8 times 33 equals 264. 14 times 28 equals 392. 7 times 23 equals 161. And 2 times 18 equals 36. Okay, so to get the mean, we need to add the f of x. So 43 plus 304 plus 264 plus 392 plus 161 plus 36. So the sum of f of x is 1,200. So, okay, so our mean is the sum of f of x over the sum of frequency equals, so our sum of f of x is 1,200 divided by the sum of frequency, which is 40. So 1,200 divided 40 equals 30. So our mean is 30. So that's how we get the mean in the group data. Okay, so that was the coverage of my discussion. So the median and mode of the group data is i-discuss ni Mr. Andoy. So thank you and have a good day.